wherever you are, whatever kind of business you are involved in, there are certain factors which will help you to become successful. So we call this as the critical business success factors. So to do this analysis, we have identified some 8 critical business success factors which are relevant to most of the printing organizations. It has taken time to define these 8. It can be more, it can be less. It's up to you. If you want to add more critical business success factors which are not in this, no problem, which you can add and do an extended analysis to make it more precise when you do second time. So we will be, based on this critical business success factors, we will create a profile for the existing organization. And third thing, we will find out the right product focus for the future. We do so many things. We will have a lot of product portfolio mix. We will be doing different kinds of jobs, like maybe a small commercial or a packaging or a label or a visiting card or different kinds of jobs. So whether you are doing all these jobs the right way or not, what way it is contributing to you in your business, we will try to do an analysis in that side. In most of these exercises, when you do, you can think of your organization and think of your real data and try to evaluate 20% of the activities you perform contribute for the 80% of the gain or 80% of the loss. So we have to focus if you have 8 priorities, you don't need to look all the 8. Which is going to contribute to you the best, prioritize it, focus it for the next couple of years and go ahead. But we talk about it. To do that, you need to have a self-analysis. So we asked these questions of ourselves. You also have to ask it like, do we have the right product portfolio with me? And where exactly in the process we lose money? Do we have to consider, do we have to invest or just change the organization structure? Sometimes that itself is a no. We'll try to touch upon some examples during the sessions. Are we managing and controlling the orders properly? Can we reduce throughput time? Do we have optimized flow of material? Most of the printing presses lack in this side. At least in India, I have seen the flow of material, the way it comes and goes in between. You will see hundreds of non-value adding activities. The customer is going to pay only the value added. If you don't add any value in his material, all those activities are waste. This is the base principle of lean manufacturing, nothing else. So can we increase productivity and reduce wastages? It's another question. So we have to ask all these questions ourselves. And you see, now when you, as a print manufacturer, not a printer, I call it as a print manufacturer, you manufacture a product. And how you are perceived by your print buyer is very important. The kind of goodwill, the kind of corporate identity what you have, this is going to play a big role. So keeping this in mind, suppose the printing press is a SLAP print house, that is your organization. We imagine the critical business success factors for this SLAP printing house is the product quality, the price flexibility, the entity innovations. We'll explain it what it is in detail. The product portfolio mix, the capability of services, what you can do, the deadline commitments, the goodwill, and further value additions. So today we are going to talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 critical business success factors. These are all, I am sure this will be sensible to your organization too. Where you are today may be because of some of these critical business success factors where you make a difference from others. And of course, this is the goodwill, what you create from the buyer's point of view, the print buyer, how he looks at you. So now we will get into this one by one, and what is this, how this is defined in detail to make you understand. I'm sure Mr. Kepler will take you through each of these and let you know what it is before the analysis we go. It works.